Let the competition begin! Greetings and welcome to Smartwatch Ticks. Today we just have a quick announcement for you about a contest that's happening over in the tech community at Full Android Watches. This is the web address they've set up, tinyurl.com/win Kospet Prime 2, and all of the information of what's needed for you to compete to pick up one of the 10 brand spanking new, not even made yet, we just have artist pictures of it, watches that's going to be coming up this fall. So basically, I'll show you what's got on the screen here. It's competition time, and you are being asked to create at least one or more customized watch faces. It's not hard to do. You'll find as you read through this that there's resources down here that you can download, program that you can actually create watch faces on the fly. And believe me, some of the most successful watch faces have been some of the most simple designs. So don't let not knowing much hold you back. Give it a whirl. Head on in and try it out. I've also got a series of workshops that teach you the basics behind coding for Android watches right here at smartwatchticks.com. Just hit the playlist button when you come in our front door and look for the Android smartwatch design workshops. So what is the Prime 2? I know some of you are coming in here just to find out, what the heck is this? I never heard of it before. Okay, I got just some pictures here for you. It's an Android smartwatch with a really big 2.2-inch screen, 480 by 480 display. It's got 4 gigabytes of memory in it and 64 gigabytes of storage, running full-on Android 10, no more of this messing around with Android 7. It's using an Octa-core processor, and you see that thing at the top? That, folks, is a 16-megapixel rotating camera. Here is a drawing of what it's going to look like when it's forward-facing. And all you do is push it like this, and it lays down pointing forward. So it's both for taking outside shots and for doing video conferencing. The Kospet Prime 2, we will of course be talking about it a lot here as it actually matures and comes to market, but this is an early heads up. You only have until September 27th, I believe, to put together your watch face submittal. Now, not only do you get a chance to make one, but when you finish it and it's entered in the contest, it becomes part of Kospet's portfolio of faces, and your face will probably appear on multiple watches that they put out in the future. So win-win for everybody, and especially for you, because you're finding out firsthand about the brand new Kospet Prime 2 Android 10 smartwatch hitting the market real soon. By the way, have you subscribed yet? That's the way you're going to find out, very first one, what's new when it actually gets here, and Uncle Tix gives it a review. Thanks for watching, gang, and head on over there, tinyurl.com, win KP2. We'll see you again soon.